Unnati Mittal. Today I am going to teach you a very beautiful birthday written gift pouch. You know, nowadays students, Corona is there, you can't go out, and if you are having a birthday, your mama is cooking food at home, but how to give a written gifts? So for that, with this craft paper, you can make. These are the different color craft paper. It is easily available in any stationery A4 size of craft paper. You can take, and with that easily you can make a small written gift pouch, whichever the animal you like, that shape or anything. You show your creativity and you can pack your gift like chocolates, balloons, anything small gift, and you can give to your friends. So how to make this, I'll show you. We will take one A4 size craft paper, any color we can take. We can take the help of fabric glue or Fevicol. Just we will apply in one corner in a straight line this Fevicol, just straight line. And first we make one cylinder type of shape, just making with this. See how we will just put a paste this and we will make a cylinder. And just we will press it down. Okay, we will press it down. This line should come in the center. Okay, then both sides we will take either ½ inch from both sides we will take. We will fold inside. Then we will turn the paper and same line we will fold back side also. We will fold back side also, and then what we will do, we will squeeze this inside and we will fold it like this. Okay. And same procedure we will repeat from another side. We will fold it inside. The center line we will fold it inside. Both sides equal folding we must do it. Okay. And after doing this, what we have to do, we will take one side and we will fold from the, just we will take the center and we will do the house rule folding, means towards center line we will fold the corners. Okay. And then we will put it down. Same thing, we will open it and we will repeat from the back side also. Same thing we will repeat from the back side also. We will fold it down. And then what we will do, we will open it and squeeze it both sides, and this corner little bit we will give a cut. Both sides we will give a cut. After giving a cut, we will take the help of the Fevicol and we will paste it. Okay, this we will paste it. Fine. After pasting, just press it. This is our down portion is ready. Our this gift bag is covered from the down, and after that what we will do from up, just we will fold it down. Okay, this is the flap. This flap we are going to give a different animal shape or any shape, you can show your creativity. What we will do, 1/3 we will cut. We will take the help of the scissor and we will cut 1/3. From up we will cut 1/3 portion, and back side we will just leave it. 1/3 we will cut. This is the portion we are going to cut. This is your flap. It will cover it. And this is the rectangle shape. We can give a little shape to the corners also. Okay. After giving the corner shape, this portion also we are not going to waste. With that we can take it out the ears. You can take a rabbit shape ears, you can take any shape, rectangular or semicircular, any shape. So I have taken this rabbit type of ears, and this dark color green portion also I am sticking just for fancy look. You can do anything, you can show your creativity, students, and you can do anything in this. It's not that whatever I have done you do. This is full of creativity. You can make different colors and you can take the help of the sketch pen and just create 2 eyes. Okay, just oval eyes or any kind of eyes, whichever you like. 2 eyes I am creating here. Okay, and eyelashes I am giving. Okay, and center may just put one circle for the nose, and this I have cut as like a moon shape for the mouth. So I will stick red color. You can do any color. It is your animal. It is your choice. It is your and this back side here I will stick these 2 ears. This 2 ears I am sticking the back side. See, and here also I am sticking it from the back side. Okay, little bit. Okay, this is the back side. I am sticking it. Okay, so this the now in this you can keep your gift, and after keeping the gift you can take the help of the double tape and you can little bit just paste it, so your gift won't go anywhere. This you can stick with double tape. So these are the 2 written gift pouches. I hope you have enjoyed. It's a very simple. Thank you for watching.